In this video I will describe you Windows 11 Canary version, OS built 25346 and what is new features of this version of Windows 11. See Windows 11 25346 version notify me to restart computer. Restart your computer. See Windows 11 25346 version installed in my computer. What is the new features this version of Windows 11? In this build come with new content adaptive brightness control options in settings. Redesigned the connection bar for remote desktop sessions. New option to diagnose network problems added and you right-click on network icon in the system tray. New presence sensor privacy settings under settings if your device supports it. Updated Windows security, firewall, notification dialogues. New setting configurable state of HDR when running on battery. New configurable state of HDR video streaming when running on battery. Many more known issues and fixes. That's it, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed video please like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.